In case your Mavic Air controller makes this sound when you switch it on, you need to recalibrate the joysticks inside the DJI Go 4 app. To do this, just launch the DJI Go app, and then to be able to go inside the settings of the controller, you need to turn on the drone itself, wait a few moments until the DJI Go app says go fly, then tap it. Once you are inside the main window, you need to switch off the drone again so that you can recalibrate the controller, because the controller only can be recalibrated when the drone is off. However, you need the drone to be on to go inside the DJI Go app to be able to enter the controller settings. Once you are in the DJI Go window, tap on the three buttons on the upper right corner, then tap on the controller icon and tap on the remote controller recalibration. As you can see over here, the controller is not centered. I have no idea why that is, because it suddenly decentered itself on its own without me doing anything. But to recenter it, you need to tap on calibrate, tap start, then tap OK, and then go with the joystick all the way to 100% in every direction with both joysticks, and also the wheel on the upper left corner. And it seems you have to turn first to the right and then to the left, and once you've done both joysticks and the wheel on the top, just tap on finish. Then, if everything went well, the controller should stop making the noise the next time you switch it on. So let's do a small test and turn off the controller and turn it back on. As you can see, it stopped making the noise. However, in case in the future it makes noise again, you will have to recalibrate the joystick. I don't know if this has anything to do with the software or hardware, but didn't do this in the beginning when I had it, but after a few weeks it suddenly started making noise out of nowhere, and I found out that it was because of the controller, which decalibrated itself on its own. So remember to go into the DJI Go app after switching on the drone, and then once you are inside, you need to switch off the drone so that you can calibrate the controller. And once that's done, you can switch on the drone again in case you want to fly with it, and then the controller shouldn't make any noise anymore.